project while loading up our SUV, one extra push and crack. So we scheduled at safelight.com. We were able to track our to us, and we could see exactly when they'd arrive. With the replacement we could trust.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. May I take
Primary Entry Point System, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Weather Service, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the Federal Government, the White House, and the Airspace Command have found 15 nukes heading our way. The cities that will be struck are Seattle, Washington, Portland, Oregon, Sacramento, California, San Francisco, California, Washington, D.C., New York City, Albany, New York, Chicago, Illinois, Kansas City, Missouri, Dallas, Texas, Miami, Florida, Tallahassee, Florida, Cleveland, Ohio, Buffalo, New York, New Orleans, Louisiana. If you are within a 400-mile radius from the city's red visor to find the fallout shelter. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks. Find the fall shelter immediately. We are preparing counterstrikes. We are trying to intercept these. It's advised to seek shelter. It is advised to seek shelter or else you're most likely gonna perish. Normal programming is now suspended indefinitely and will keep providing updates as the situation unfolds. The nukes have been sent from North Korea, China, and Russia. We are preparing counterattacks here in the United States, Japan, India, Australia, New Zealand, Philippines, Thailand. We're all preparing a counterattack also with Vietnam, so do not be alarmed. We will not fall to nukes. Repeating, we will not fall to these nukes.